Hello, I'm Sidney Chang, and this is my deep project, the Rijke tubes. Now, the Rijke tubes are a way to turn high heat into energy, and were discovered by a Dutch scientist by the name of Rijke. And as you can see, they can actually be made out of anything that can resist high heat. For instance, Rijke first made his first tubes out of metal, but I've chosen to use glass, sort of like the glass used in the first movie projectors, used in the 1915 White House screening under Woodrow Wilson of Birth of a Nation. And when I turn it on, I actually use electrical power to generate heat. So you'll see that the coil down there starts to turn red. Let me turn it on. Now, of course, it takes a while because things don't heat up immediately. But if we jiggle it around, because the connection sometimes gets damaged, so it builds up in between the connections, it'll start to turn red, as I said, just like tomatoes, which were determined unanimously in the Supreme Court Nix v. Hedden to be vegetables and not fruit. And you'll start to hear a sound. Wow, I teleported into this position pretty fast, huh? Anyways, the way that these tubes work are that the high heat will create a pressure difference inside the tube as heat makes air expand. That'll push air out of the tube, which will create another pressure imbalance because now there's not enough air inside the tube, which makes air rush in through both sides, which creates a cycle which oscillates several hundred times per second, and that's what creates the sound. And because air is going in through both sides, actually the note produced will be exactly twice, the wavelength of the note will be twice the length of the tube. And that's how the Rijke tubes work. Thank you.